Okay. All right. So first we're going to go over some vocabulary. So we're going to start with shapes. So the shape right here, this is a triangle, okay? All triangles have 3 sides. So you've got 1, 2, 3 sides. Any figure with 1, 2, 3 sides is a triangle, okay? So this is also a triangle. So it has 1, 2, 3 sides. All right, so now you tell me, is this a triangle?
Yes.
Yes, good work. Okay, so how many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3, good. Okay, here's this square. All right, squares have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but they're all the same size. So this side equals this side, which equals this side, and that side as well. They're all the same size. Okay? It also has 4 right angles. So a right angle is like a piece of paper. So if you take a piece of paper and you held it up to the angle and they matched up evenly, that's a right angle. Okay? So if you have a shape like this and you're looking at this angle and you were to put it there, see how they don't line up? So this is not a right angle, and this is a right angle. Okay? So 4 sides and 4 right angles. All right? So you tell me, is this a square?
Yes.
Yes. Is this a square?
No.
How come?
It doesn't have all the same sizes.
Exactly. Good job. Okay.
Or it's not the same size. Or
Yep, you got it. Exactly. Okay, this is our final shape. All right? This is called an octagon. Can you say octagon?
Octagon.
Good. Octagons have 8 sides. So if you start up at this corner and you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. All octagons have 8 sides. All right? So this one's pretty little, but we'll count these ones together and see if it's an octagon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it an octagon?
Yes.
Yes, good. Okay. Is this one an octagon?
No.
No. Why?
It has 1, 2, 3, 6 sides.
Perfect. And how about this one? Is this an octagon?
Yes.
Yes, good work. Okay, so let's review real quick. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
Good. And how many sides does a square have?
4.
And how many corners or angles?
4.
4. Good.
No, 1.
Yeah, you're good. All right, and then an octagon. How many sides?
8.
8. Good job. All right, good work. Okay, so this is what we're going to be building. Oh, it fell apart. Okay, it's a pig.
Okay.
It's supposed to look like a pig.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So take your square piece of paper that you got at the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay. And then take your colored utensil and color one side of it. Doesn't have to be perfect. But. Perfect. Okay, now make sure that it's a square. Make sure all of your sides are the same size.
Yeah.
Or at least close.
I'm not sure if this is close, but
Let me see. All right, it's a little off, but we should be okay. Okay, so take your square and turn it like this. So it's up and down. Okay, and you're going to take the two side corners here.
okay.
And you're going to put them together like this.
I still think it's a little crooked.
Yep, it's got to be a square, so that's why all your sides have to be the same. So I'll show you.
I think I got it now.
You got it? Okay, that looks better. All right, try it this time. So bring your side corners together.
Okay.
And make a fold.
I think my paper is not really square.
Let me see it. Okay. Let's go back to your paper that you have. Okay, so I have a rectangle. I don't have a square paper here, right?
Yep.
Okay, so to make it a square, if you fold a corner down like this, make it evenly right there. And then cut this part off, or tear it off, right down this line. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, so now you should have your square. Perfect. Okay. Yep, perfect. All right. So now turn your paper so that the line you have is up and down, like this. Good. Take the other side corners.
Yep.
Nope, that's going to create the same fold, sorry. Turn it this way so it's sideways.
Okay.
There we go. Now take the two side corners and put them together. And do it again.
I'm not really good at folding.
That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, open it up. Okay, do you see the two lines there? See those two lines?
Yep.
Yeah? Perfect. Okay, so now flip it around so the white part is in the front. Okay, and take one of your side corners and fold it in to the center. So the corner should touch right in the middle. Good. Okay. Perfect. Now do the same to the other side. Awesome. Looks great. Okay? So you've got this. Now fold it straight down along the line you already had. Perfect. Okay. Now take the first part of the flap, so you leave the second part down, and you just bring it up just a little ways. Doesn't matter where exactly. Good. Okay. And then fold the other one right on top of it, just to make sure that they're even. Perfect. Okay, then take the top flap and fold it down. So you should have a little white space right there. Good. Good. Perfect, okay? So then now we got to make the ears. So come up to this top corner and fold it over like that. Good. And the same to the other side. Awesome. So now you can take your marker or your color and you can draw eyes and a nose and a little mouth. Awesome. Good pig. Good work. Okay. So just a couple more questions about your pig. All right. So if you look at his face, how many triangles do you see?
4, I guess.
4. Yep, 4. So
One is not really a triangle.
2. That's a triangle. It's got 3 sides, right? So 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, and 4. Good job. Okay? And if you look at the whole pig's head, or it might help to flip it around and look at it, how many sides does it have?
8.
8. Do you remember what that's called?
No.
That's okay. An octagon.
Octagon.
Octagon. Good job. All right. One final question. So we started with a square, right?
Yeah.
4 equal sides. Okay? And we turned it like this. When we turned it, is it still a square or did it change shapes?
It's still a square.
It's still a square. Perfect. A+. You did awesome.
Yay.